Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to add the weather widget on your iPhone lock screen. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to see what the weather is on their iPhone lock screen. How do you actually go ahead and add the weather widget? Now in order to do this, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and lock your iPhone screen and then press and hold it until your view looks like this. Next, you're going to click on customize and then click on your lock screen, and then you're going to click on the area underneath the time. Okay, so it's where my iWatch is. So it's going to say add widgets for you if you don't have any widgets added yet. But next, you're going to click on add widgets and then click on the weather app, and there you have it. As you can see, I've added the weather to my iPhone lock screen. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add the weather widget to your iPhone lock screen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.